Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, the BEASTGRIP SanDisk Beastcage iPhone 15 Pro Max Creator Kit can help you take your content creation to the next level with this professional-grade iPhone cage. Inside the kit, you will find the BEASTGRIP SanDisk Beastcage for iPhone 15 Pro Max, which includes the M17 0.75mm lens or filter mount, the M37 0.75mm lens mount, the M17 M37 adapter step-up ring, the Moment T bayonet lens mount, and a 1737mm adapter ring tool. You'll also find the BEASTGRIP SanDisk Handle GH50, the BEASTGRIP SanDisk SSD Clamp Mount, which includes the clamp, front mount bracket for the cage pre-installed, cold shoe mount, and 2 M5 screws. You'll also find an Allen wrench and the quick start guide. Crafted from machined 6061 T6 aluminum and anodized finish, it's the embodiment of quality and durability. Equipped with dual neck strap mounts, an integrated cold shoe mount, multiple 1/4" 20 female thread mounts, and versatile lens mount plates, this cage offers seamless flexibility for your creative adventure. The fast locking cover helps ensure swift mounting and dismounting of your iPhone. Simply remove the cover, insert your iPhone 15 Pro Max, replace the cover, and push until you hear a click. Your iPhone is now securely placed inside the Beastcage. You can still access your power button and volume rocker. The cage also features an oversized cutout that gives you plenty of clearance to attach Type-C SSDs, microphones, and charger cables with ease. Quickly switch the lens or filter mount plates by untightening the side clamp. Place the new plate in, ensuring that the reference points align, and then tightening the side clamp to ensure a secure fit. That was a quick look at the BEASTGRIP SanDisk Beastcage iPhone 15 Pro Max Creator Kit.